This Sand course that we offer is walks folks through the history of this technique, which is a box about twice as long as it is wide, painted blue on the inside with safe, non-toxic sand in it and a collection of miniatures. We talk about the value of being able to project out things that I may be dealing with on the inside, to make them small, to have control and mastery over those things, and the way that a therapist can set a space, particularly a play therapist, for a child to do the kind of work that that child may not have fancy words for, or may not be able to articulate in terms of abstract concepts. We just want to make sure that play therapists are doing that ethically, they're doing it thoughtfully, they're doing it in a way that guards that space for the child. This course is a 2-day course. First day we spend a lot of time on theory, and we spend a little bit of time walking through some case examples. And then in day 2, we do a lot of practice. We're using the regulation size trays. We'll do a group tray. We're practicing being a therapist, being a client, being an observer, switching around between those roles. We like folks to have some kind of introduction to play therapy prior to taking this course. So we expect people come into this course with an idea of the culture of children, the language of children, with a general sense of what to look for developmentally in a child's play, all of that good stuff. We cover in another course, the Principles of Play Therapy. So if someone has that or an equivalent, they're pretty well equipped for this. We are looking specifically for people who are licensed mental health professionals or who are under supervision to get their state licensure. We're really looking at how do we equip and develop the cohort of mental health professionals. These courses are really fun. I regularly run into people at conferences in the community all around the country who say, oh, I took a class in 2021 online, or I took a class at Child Savers one time. Do you remember me? And so it's not only a cool opportunity for a pretty cost-effective way to get play therapy continuing education, it's also a way to gain a little bit of community and network.